my aspirations is to, to validate the applied practice of Māori Indigenous knowledge. So it's not necessarily about validating the academic culture that is embedded in New Zealand society. It's about validating, our tupuna practice, our tupuna tukuiho practice, and that you can't necessarily practice through a theoretical process. And that, so for me, I'm going to be doing Rangahau like that around my healing mahi and psychology mahi and psychotherapy, trying to weave the two worlds together, but making mātauranga Māori mainstream. So, kia ora.